Hey there, supermoms! So you want to know when is the right time to invest in real estate? Well, you are in luck because I am here to give you some tips on how to figure that out. Before we start, let's get one thing straight. Investing in real estate is not like picking what flavor of ice cream. It's a big decision and it will take some careful consideration. So let's get started and have some fun along the way. My name is Havon Lee at Real Estate Supermoms. If you are new here, check in every Wednesday and leave me a comment below to let me know how this channel can better serve you. And to all of our listener and viewer, thank you so much for your support. First thing first, let's talk about your finances. We know that being a mom means that you are a financial wizard. You can stretch that dollar further than a rubber band. But a lot of moms will feel much more at ease if you know that you're in a good financial position before investing in real estate. I have made a video on how to manage your money. Give it a look. Use it as a guide to help you figure out your current financial status. If you are juggling more debt than a circus clown, then you may want to ask yourself, how much time can you dedicate it to doing this? Well, there are two ways that you can identify sellers in real estate investing. We call them pay lead or free leads. And free just really means you are not actually writing a check out for it, but you are putting out your time to look for those sellers or those leads. So it's okay if you're not in a position to do paid leads today, but what is the amount of time that you can commit to identify the sellers or the leads? Now let's talk about your personal goal. Do you want to invest in real estate to build a legacy for your family? Or do you just want to make enough to finally hire that personal chef that you've been eyeing? Whatever your investment goal is, make sure that they line up with your investment strategy. The last thing you want to do is to invest into a deal just because someone tells you it was a good deal. For example, you want to put into an investment that will give you $1,000 a month cash flow to pay for your personal chef. Well, this deal would give you that, but you have to wait about 5 years later to cash out and get that money. So does that really align with your investment purpose? The next factor to consider is the current state of the real estate market. Is the market hotter than a plate of fresh out of the oven cookies, or is it colder than a penguin's toes? Understanding the market condition can help you identify better investment opportunities and make wiser investment choices. And if you are feeling a little bit overwhelmed, just remember, investing in real estate is like playing poker. You know when to hold them and when to fold them. And I'm really not making this up because my neighbor is a pretty darn good poker player. And he beat me to that rental property across the street from both of us. Finally, let's talk about your life stage and responsibility. As a real estate supermom, you have more responsibilities than a circus ring master. You need to consider your family's needs, your job, your personal goal before investing in real estate. And if you're not sure if this is the right time, ask yourself, can I handle real estate investing now, or do I need a nap first? Wake up, supermoms! That was not the right way to handle it. Join a group like Real Estate Supermoms now and align yourself in a community of women already doing what you want. We are like a group of superheroes. Instead of wearing capes, we wear whatever we want and heels. And if you're still wondering when is the best time to invest in real estate, I'll let you in a little secret. The best time was yesterday. But the next best time is right now, today. The sooner you start, the more time you have to learn, make correction, and do it again if you stumble into a bad deal. Plus, if you find a good deal, it can only get better and better as times go by. It's like planting a money tree. It grows bigger and bigger and bigger every year. There is no right or wrong time to invest in real estate. It really depends on the individual's circumstances and goal. Block out some time and work to those factors above. Rewind this video if you have to. That would help you to make an informed decision and help you to achieve your financial goal. So let's grab some pen and paper and you can do it. If you have any question or feedback, leave me a comment below. Don't forget to tune in to our next episode where we share more tips and insight to help you become a supermom investor.